Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your host, Unknown, and I am back on the Blackhawk world, and I'm going to be going to that secret place that we found last time. You know that place? I literally did not know. I don't think half the people here even know about that place, how it exists. So it's literally far side, and there are bad guys there. It's another one of those maps that I've never seen before. So I think it's this way. Probably. Yeah, it's probably I think it's over this mountain. So I'm gonna do this more realistic. I'm gonna keep myself on first person. Might change. Okay, let's see. Let's look around. I like how, see where my cursor's pointed? You see the cockpit thing? I like how it says my altitude. The higher I go, the higher number. The lower I go, the lower. Watch. I think the speed I go. Oh, that's the speed. This is the altitude. Watch. It goes. Yeah, that's the altitude, and it goes up. Yeah, that's my altitude. Okay, I'm going back for this one. Okay, it's over there. Straight up. What? It's right next to MT. So, like, you see the mountain that we went to? It's right there. This is seriously new. I think I have to have a new strategy for this. I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna go keep my helicopter somewhere and then on top of the mountain or something, and then I have to run back. But it's kind of risky at the same time. What if I get everybody though? So, anyways, that was cute, man. Okay, I'm gonna keep my thing on. Scan the place out with night vision. Literally don't see anything. It's really good when it's really dark, when you're in the forest. Like night vision actually helps you. Okay, I'm going down. There's something cool to have too. Let's see what I got. I think they still retreated. They haven't changed the last time, I'm pretty sure. It's probably still in the camp. They're probably gonna RPG me again. Oh, my bad. They're still there. Oh man! They're RPGing me. Did you literally see the RPG? I saw the missile just hit my tail. Okay, so this is where it's gonna be. You have to run up here, even though we're low on health or anything. Plus, we gotta snipe out the boys. Good. Please tell me it died out of fall damage. Clear. Clear to go. I swear, if he doesn't have... I'm pretty sure if you have night vision, you can't really. Okay. I'm in. Oh, man. Guys, I'm gonna have a speed 90. Okay, I'm gonna take this off now. Oh, way much better. Much. How do you shoot past it? They can't. They don't understand that you can literally shoot past it if you want. I'm literally gonna shoot him while he's trying to get there. Okay. Can I get past this wall? You've gotta be kidding me. You've literally gotta be kidding me. Is there like no entryway in? No. Oh no. That's it. This calls for it. Who thinks it calls for it? Raise your hand. I'm not asking you. Guys, I don't know. This is hard. Let me see if I can break. There you go, man. Problem solving skill. Okay, hold on. 4. Let me see if this is the right one. Let me see. Who? Okay, no. 4. Okay, this is the one. What? Are you kidding me? Man, that didn't even do anything. Oh man, they got them V-Bucks. They won't even see me come and watch this. Hey buddy, hey. Wait, can I? Hey, look at your buddy. They're dead. They're dead. Watch. Oh, watch this. Watch this. I've been dying to do this. Really? Oh my god. Oh my god. This kid literally. So I'm pretty sure there's a. Please tell me. Please tell me. Please tell me you can actually open this. Please tell me you can actually open this. No, 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 no. This can't be it. I can't. I literally fought myself out for this. No. Let me see. Let me see. It seems to be a way to open it. This can literally sue the company. This evidence right here of the masks and the things in here literally can sue their company. A company hired them to be professionals into murder. And this evidence in this place could literally take them out. Like literally take down the company. Although I think behind the vault or whatever this is will be more mysterious. Guys, this is what's behind it. This literally the thing that can take out their company for good. And a time bomb, but not trust those. They're not efficient. Oh man, if some ammo and some health would be here, that'd be great. No high hopes for that anyways. Oh. My pistol provides more light. Actually, I have a torch anyways. I'd rather. Wait, his identification... It's like these people are not exempted. They don't even have an identification card like me. Please tell me. Please, please, please. No! Where? I got the RPG in sight. Now, take him out. Not RPG guy, but this is an assault. I saw the RPG, he's coming in. Yeah, listen, he was right there, he was right there. He was literally like right there. Okay, 4. He can't see me!
Reinforcements inbound!
Oh, I don't like when you say that, you know?
Let's get down!
Yes, yes! Uh-oh. We gotta get out of here before, but they said reinforcements and... They said reinforcements inbound. I don't like the sound of that. Anything, can we go inside the department of the depot of utilities? This ain't the depot of utilities. But that could sue the entire thing. Okay. Flare. Anybody who wants to come here. Let me see. Anybody yellow? Anybody on yellow team? Squads out. Red, green. Squads out. Red? Oh no. Join blue. Extraction. Gotta get out of here as fast as I can. Ronograd's under attack. And I'm wounded like anything. Thank you. Take it on. I deserve it. My avatar at least deserves it. You took a lot from me. Oh. That was a successful mission right there. We literally found evidence to take out the company Blackhawk stuff, and that was good. That was a good one. I'm gonna get out of here now. This factory is the only way. Anybody in the game even? We got some people. Man, we just... Oh my god, we just literally... I'm gonna stop saying the word literally, but we did it. Is that a small island? That better be, because if that's anything else to explore, I'm not. Is that a rock? Oh no. Oh, is that what I think it is? Because if it is, there's a national security involved. I'm gonna have to say. Pilot of the unidentified flying object. Please identify yourself and keep yourself in the vehicle for an extraction point. can't be an island. If it's an island, then I'm literally an idiot. Nope, I'm not gonna take your chances that I'm an idiot if it's an island, but I'm gonna just take a look because it has a weird pointy structure. That can't be land. Probably. Okay. Oh. It's something else. It's not a land. It's not a land formation at all. Who's the fact that I'm not a... Thanks a lot. I literally just wasted this time right now. Well, that's cool. An extra landmass. Never thought about it. Oh, that's a cool landmass though. Come on, generate. You don't have to be the small, you know. Okay, everybody should be just about ahead and... Oh. Now someone joins. Okay. All people. I found a secret in the game. Secret. Hidden object. Into the game. Oh my god, I didn't even know whether I make it alive. Oh my god. I got out! Dark core. I mean, I know how to get stars, so I'm not lying. I'll take him to that place we just went. Okay. Oh my god, that was so OP right there, man. How did I even make it alive? How? I'm so surprised. How in the world did I even make it alive? The game is so detailed. I can't call it Roblox. I can call it. No. I can't just call it the airplane. The airplane. It's him again. Same guy who's like really obsessed with the game. Oh my god. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe and turn on post notifications, and I'll give you more content. Like I said, my helicopter landed perfectly. Thank you for watching. Adios.